machine learning to my synth to improve its hit rate. If you improve the hit rate of a synth, it just makes art by itself. So you just have to improve the hit rate, and then it sort of is diabolical to art. Like there's no need to be a painter anymore when the video synth can just make images by itself. So that's the fact that it has this AI thing affected you. It shouldn't have. Yeah, it's just that pictures you can make that sort of like make themselves. And you can sort of get all these visions of different places. Just look at Pollock with his Nostradamus machines. Just get a paintbrush and just do random strokes everywhere. And then you get a random image. It'll have meanings and everything. Like you can either have a meaning, have a symbolic meaning. This random art. The image generation is a lot like random art, how it works. This one anyway. Generate trial and match key. Okay. Okay. That's that done. Copy scored system. Yeah, I can't believe how much of a big deal it was. To me, I was being silly. It's like, it's just silly, but I can't help but to get affected by it. These make fixes just appear to people. I just get them for nothing. You don't have to draw them. Yeah. Put artists out of a job. The artists never really had a job with this way, so it doesn't matter. Since when did artists even have a job? There's so many of those poor buggers. You get 10 for $2 when it comes to artists. I'm nearly out of time. Copy squatter system. Oh, I got something in then. Yeah, it's no big deal though. So when it comes to art, you get like shitload, buttload. Yeah, it's because you thought it was sort of, I don't know. But these pictures, I get them pretty easily. the art just gets you down. Art's just depressing. It's what runs the universe, is art. So if you make one of these art generators, you generate the universe on your computer. Yeah.